interesting structural work here. In these old houses, basically there's a center wall that goes down the middle of the house that basically helps support the floors and the roofs. We adjusted one of the walls to make primary suite bigger, and then also allowed us to extend the kitchen wall longer. Many of these old houses are undersized in their structure, which means that the actual framing starts bowing. So when we actually peeled all the lath and plaster off of the walls, we found that there was a 3-inch drop in the ceiling. So we ended up coming through and adding new ceiling joists and flattening out all of the floor above. So part of the interior design aesthetic we wanted to do was sort of bring back some of the old character of these houses. So we did make sure that all the finish work was in keeping with what you might find in these old bungalows. Then we kind of mixed in the modern with the historic. So we have a beautiful farm sink that we put in. We use shaker cabinetry, but then we put in marble quartz countertops, which is sort of modern right now. Some of the tile work is a little bit more modern, but we used modern in its pattern, but not necessarily in its materials. So that was really fun to do. I love the barn door that we put in. We did that to be able to close off the primary suite from the main living area. We actually decided to put a frosted glass door on it to allow natural light from all angles of the outside coming in. It really does add quite a bit of opening and space. So that's kind of one of my favorite features of it.